Hello everyone, I'm Pukraj and welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today's recipe is very amazing. It's soft, juicy, crispy, flavorful and very succulent. It is the favorite of almost every non-veg lover. The name of the recipe is Mutton Kababs and it's the easiest kebab recipe that I have come across. But before starting with the recipe, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the notifications. So let's get started with the recipe. The ingredients required for this recipe are 500 grams minced mutton, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, 3 tablespoon chopped green coriander, 1 egg, 3 tablespoon roasted gram flour, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon dried fenugreek. You can increase or decrease the quantity of spices as per your taste, and breadcrumbs for coating. To start with the recipe, we'll take a large bowl and into it we'll add the mutton mince. Then we'll be adding roasted gram flour. I've roasted it for just a minute or so. Then we'll add onions, green chilies, and green coriander. Next goes in the minced garlic, egg, and finally all the spices that we have. You can add them together. And now we'll mix all these ingredients together. So now you can see that it has mixed properly, and we'll cover it or cling wrap it and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour so that the flavors get infused and the mutton gets firm. So I had already prepared the mixture and refrigerated it for 1 hour, and now we'll make kebabs out of it. So just take a small portion of the mince and roll it in the form of kebab. You can grease your hands with oil so that it does not stick. And it's ready. We'll place it on the plate. So now we'll prepare the remaining kebabs just like that. So our kebabs are prepared, and now we'll coat them in breadcrumbs and then we'll fry them. I'm going to shallow fry them, but you can deep fry them as well. So we have breadcrumbs here. We'll coat the kebab in breadcrumbs. And now we'll just fry it. And we'll fry all the kebabs like this. Now we'll turn these. Look how crispy and golden they are. We let them cook on this side and then they'll be ready to eat. So our kebabs are ready and we'll just take them out. Look at the gorgeous color of the kebabs. Perfectly crunchy. And here we go. And they're ready for plating. So our very delicious and crunchy Mutton kebabs are ready to eat. They are just melt in the mouth and you're gonna love it for sure. Please try this recipe at home and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.